Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. The Okenachi royal kindred in the Arochukwu kingdom, which has the responsibility of producing Ezearu for the kingdom, recently came up with a heir apparent to the ancient throne in Igbo land about 3 years after the demise of its former monarch. The selection committee set up by the royal house, due to its inability to produce a consensus candidate amongst the princes to ascend to the throne of their ancestors, concluded its assignment on the 18th of October 2023 with the presentation of Prince Engineer Arochukwu as the Ezearu designate over his cousin and only challenger, Mazi Kanu Idei. The emergence of Arochukwu as the heir apparent to the throne in Arochukwu, which is translated to mean the people of God in the God's own state of Abia, is said to be synonymous with the emergence of Moses that led Israelites to the promised land.
Arochukwu is a light, so we need him to come and make a change. Let him do the right thing in Aro.
What the man will do and what he's already doing is he will use his influence to attract investments. He uses investments to attract infrastructural development.
The palace of Ezearu and the royal family, as well as the Arochukwu Traditional Rulers Council, Indiezogos, had scheduled the coronation and official presentation of the new Ezearu to the entire kingdom on the 26th of December, after receiving the nods of the ancestors of the land through libation. On the 18th of December 2023, the palace suspended the epoch-making event at the instance of the state government to allow the judicial panel of inquiry set up to investigate the clandestine arrangement by suspended Ezebomi C and Mazi Idei, who had submitted to the selection process that produced Prince Engineer Arochukwu as the authentic Ezearu designate. The chairman of Arochukwu local government area, Chief Joe Ezearu, confirmed the intervention of the government in the interest of peace and also debunked the alleged coronation of an Ezearu in the kingdom.
Said no Eze has been crowned in Arochukwu kingdom. No Eze has been crowned. And when an Eze will be crowned, the whole world will hear it. You will hear it, and the people of Arochukwu kingdom will do it in accordance with the tradition.
The socio-cultural organization of all Aro sons and daughters, home and abroad, Nzuko Aro, who lauded the timely intervention of the state government, is confident that every legitimate concern will be attended to in accordance with the customs and traditions of the people. The ancient Arochukwu kingdom that dominated trade and business activities in the former Southern Protectorate, with its monarch amongst the most revered and respected in Nigeria, now stands as a shadow of its former self, with its economic powers, might and relevance completely eroded. Critical infrastructures around its vicinity, such as roads and schools, are in their needs of rehabilitation, while social amenities as well as the welfare of its people are also calling for urgent attention. In the face of these prevailing challenges that neither individuals nor government can tackle alone, some prominent sons and daughters maintain that the kingdom needs a monarch with an impeccable character and record of exceptional leadership to mobilize all development stakeholders and Indiaro worldwide for the prosperity and restoration of the kingdom's lost glory.
We need someone who has integrity, credibility, education, who has character.
We need somebody who is competent. We need somebody who is not a criminal, because we don't want Aro to be disgraced. We want to bring the best, a well-educated, well-mannered person with good character to be Aro.
They also held that the 21st century traditional institutions are evolving rapidly and Arochukwu must not be left behind.
The world is moving forward. It's not going backwards. Those times are gone when you have someone who is only about drinking hard drink, eating kola nuts, and try for you to bring goat for him to take side with anybody else. The world has gone past that.
The demise of late Eze Vincent Ogbonnaya Okoro, who ascended the throne in 1995 and passed in 2021, created a vacuum that has been a tough deal to fill in the ancient Igbo kingdom, known for its rich cultural heritage and long-standing monarchy in the past 3 years. However, the wait is over with the emergence of Prince Engineer Arochukwu, a square peg in a square hole, expected to bring to bear his leadership prowess and acumen in changing the fortunes of this ancient kingdom in line with global best practices.
Inside the Niger Delta,